VoxCraft AI Studio Review. Hey there, welcome to my review of VoxCraft AI Studio. In this video, we are going to take a sneak peek inside the members area at a demo of this app in action, just to go over the main features and the pros and cons of this type of software. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this from home for well over 10 years now, seeing lots of these different systems come and go in that time, so hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research VoxCraft AI Studio Reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with VoxCraft AI Studio, basically what it does is you input a file into the software app, such as an audio file, a podcast, and what it will do is it will open up an editing tool where you can cut out a snippet, which is a highlight, and then you can create a short form video based around that highlight, and you can have text subtitles, an AI voiceover artist reading from a script, and you can just take out the relevant section snippet and create, for example, a TikTok video from a longer form podcast, or a TikTok video from a medium length YouTube video. In fact, you won't actually need AI voiceover artist in many cases because you're starting from an audio file, so you can have the as-is audio file playing with subtitles over the top, and then you've got an image in the background. So just a way of repurposing audio files such as podcasts, other YouTube videos, longer form content into short form video content, which you can do with the VoxCraft AI Studio editor. The first step is to select a video template. These are kind of Canva style templates where you've got a drag and drop editor to open up, and then this is going to act as the background that will appear as your audio plays over the top of it, and the subtitles appear over the top of it. I think it would be better if you had professional stock footage to play in the background rather than having to do these kind of like thumbnail style slides in the background. I don't think this works as well, this approach with these graphics, PowerPoint style slides, a thumbnail style background image. I think if you just tap into a stock footage library, then you've got relevant professional footage in the background whilst you've got your text and audio appearing over the top of it. I think that's a more effective way of doing it, but this software seems to focus more on those drag and drop template style backgrounds. The second step is to upload your audio file, or you can even record audio from scratch on the spot, or do a text to speech conversion to get the audio. And once you've got the audio file uploaded, you open up this audio trimmer tool, so then you can just highlight the segment where the clip you want to take in is, such as a short clip from a longer form podcast. Then you can trim it so you're just using the right content, and then you can export that snippet and re-upload it to VoxCraft AI and do editing on that to create a short form video, a short form audio based on that highlight. If you don't actually have an audio file to start with, you can actually generate a script with this software tool. So they've got script writers and script generators for content, and you can just copy and paste that as the script and create the video from there. So you don't even need to start with an audio file if you haven't got one. You can use text-based script from scratch. So this is what it is. You've got the background image, and then you've got subtitles appearing over the top in time with the audio as it's being read out. I think that was a bit messy and a bit distracting, having that image and text in the background. That's why I think just stock footage is better in the background, so the text subtitle overlay really pops out more when it appears over it. So all in all, I do like the video editing trimming tool, which is very useful for cutting out highlight clips from longer form content. It would be better if AI could even automatically identify highlights without you having to manually do it. But I think the editing tool for the video, the audio trimming tool is good, but I don't think the example output where you've got that kind of thumbnail in the background. I think it looks a bit clumsy. I would think it would be better to export the audio you get from this to another tool where you've got professional stock footage in the background to make it look more professional. But both pros and cons in terms of the tools you get as part of VoxCraft AI Studio. If you want to discover more about how I earn a full-time income online, and my number one system to plug into right now for that, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my VoxCraft AI Studio review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.